Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Bluetooth a driver on your Windows 10. So if you want to send file or receive file from Bluetooth, so you can prepare your dongle first, or maybe your motherboard already support the Bluetooth, but you cannot use it yet because there is no driver here. Like mice, keyboard, pens, or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth devices here couldn't connect because on this Windows device to on Bluetooth is not yet there. If the device supports Bluetooth but you can turn it on, try to update your driver through Windows Update settings. You can update manually, or you can install manually from intel.com. So driver Intel wireless Bluetooth for Windows 10. You can download it manually from the web here. So the latest version, of course, only 12 megabyte. You can download it for Windows 10. So you have to wait. And let's install after download it. Next, so just click on next, accept a complete edition, install. The installation finished, so you can use the Bluetooth dongle now, so you can receive the file from Bluetooth a driver. But as I mentioned before, prepare the device first so you can use the Bluetooth now. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.